cat face. He's got a big cat's face. He's got the body of a cat and the face of a cat. And he flies through the air 'cause he's got a cat face. A cat face. Catface was going to the toilet. Yes. I don't think this litter has quite the absorbency I need, yeah? Oh no!
Oh no!
We are not playing Poo Jenga now. It's just hard for me to do the poos and wees. I think it is time for some more cat litter. To the shops!
Hello, Mr. Catface. Back again, I see.
Hello, shopkeep. I need some super absorbent litter for my toozies. I could really do with something that can be used for my height. You can see where my bottom is, huh?
And will Sir be paying by moth again?
Yes, more than slightly chewed frog.
Yes, I think I have just the thing.
Shoo kids, go away, huh? What is wrong with you? Do cheers to everyone carrying toilety things. Get to school with you. Honestly. That is some pine-like freshness. It will be like putting in the woods or on the tree in the room at Christmas. Right, let's give this a go, huh? Yeah, I wanted super absorbent, not super bouncy. Oh, now I'm covered with last night's din-dins. I'll be damned if I am licking this off. Boss cat, I need some cat-sized tissues.
Hello.
Silly cat face. Remember to wash your hands after the toilet, kids. No one wants to shake hands with Mr. Shitty Fingers or Miss Shitty Fingers. I am not a sexist. I am a cat.